Being a good speaker is the greatest superpower that you can develop in your career. Now, I know you already know this is true because you've seen it play out all around you. I want you to think about it. In job interviews, presentations, meetings, does the best qualified candidate always get the opportunity? Or is it so often the person who speaks with confidence, clarity, and presence? Do people always listen to the person with all the facts and the data, or the one who makes simple, powerful points and delivers them in a way that connects? We buy from great speakers. We hire great speakers. We follow great speakers. And it's not always because of what they say, it's because of how they say it. But here's the good news. Being a great speaker isn't something that you're either born with or you're not. It is a skill, and it's a skill that you can learn. And that's exactly what this channel here is here to help you with. My name is Lisa Hugo, and I have spent years coaching leaders, professionals, and entrepreneurs from all around the world. And one thing has become very clear. No matter what your industry is or your role, your ability to speak well, to deliver a message with confidence and impact is the key that unlocks your influence. Now, the challenge is that most workplaces don't teach this. You're going to find training on technical skills, software, even leadership frameworks, but very rarely do they teach you how to use your voice or how to show up with presence. And that's where this channel comes in. Every single week, I share practical tools and advice that you can apply right away to control your nerves, to speak with more clarity, to add energy and authority to your voice and to the way that you speak, and to inspire action whenever you step up to speak. I want you to think of this channel as your personal training ground. You're going to find not only tips, but also deeper understanding of how to transform yourself into a stronger and a more engaging communicator. Now, I know for some of you, watching free content and practicing on your own is going to take you far. And I've created these videos to help you to do exactly that. But for those of you who really want to fast track your results and accelerate your progress, I've also got a free training. The link is down there in the description. And this is a training on how to become the most influential voice in the room. Now, it's going to open your eyes to the tools and the techniques that can completely change the way that you present yourself in business and even in life. You're going to find the link down there in that description if you want to go and register for that. But whether or not you start with that training or you just start right here on YouTube, the most important thing is that you commit to developing your voice and your communication, because this is the skill that changes everything. So if you're ready to take the next step, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and join our community of professionals who are growing their confidence, their influence, and their impact every single week. Okay? Welcome to the channel. Let's get your voice heard.